It is time for Marry Me Monday, the fun, timely, sometimes romantic, sometimes spirited live radio program with your hosts, Sherry, Bussy, and Sam. Presented by Emerald City Jewelers, 33rd and Broadway, Quincy.
In the studio with me this morning is Sherry Bussy, owner of Emerald City Jewelers. Good morning, Sherry.
Good morning, Sam.
All right, it's Marry Me Monday. It's the month of love. Next Friday is Valentine's Day. Now's the time to get those engagement rings ordered.
That's right. If you want to come and look at engagement rings, we have a nice selection. And we also let you choose your center stone at Emerald City. So you might go to other stores where all the rings are already assembled with the center stone being a diamond already that you haven't been able to pick. And so I believe that you should be able to have a choice about what's in the center. So we stock our rings without diamonds in the center, so you get to pick which one you want yourself.
And people are going away from the traditional diamond. They're adding colors. There's yellows and pinks and greens, even black.
People love having something custom and different than other people. So the nice thing about being a custom jeweler like Emerald City is we're not a big chain. We don't have to support a big high-rise in some big city. We're a home-owned store. I started almost 30 years ago in my basement doing repair work. I was a jeweler and I have a degree in art and design. So that's what I want to do, is work with people and come up with something unique, something that just gives a little bit of story about your relationship or what you want in your ring. Maybe you want a diamond the color of her eyes. If you like the browns or the blues or the greens, we can do that. We can find whatever you want.
We've talked about this and said this many a times. That's what really sets you apart from the big box stores, so to say. You do all of your custom designs in-house. You do all your repairs in-house. Basically, the rings aren't going to be shipped, and then you're worried if you're going to get your ring back. It's all done right here in Quincy.
Right, and you have the ability to know what you're getting. You can see it before we set it. You can see it again after we set it. So you can have what you want and be confident that it's going to be the most special gift ever.
Guys, gentlemen, the time is running out, so head on over to Emerald City Jewelers. Sherry, where are you located and what are your hours?
Well, we're located at the corner of 33rd and Broadway, across from the main entrance of the mall. We share the corner with Kentucky Fried Chicken, and we are open Monday through Friday, 9:30 to 5:30, and Saturdays from 9:30 to 3.
All right, Sherry Bussy from Emerald City Jewelers. Thank you.
Thank you.
That's it for this week's edition of Marry Me Monday, presented by Emerald City Jewelers. Join us next week, Monday at 7:25 a.m. for another exciting edition. That's Marry Me Monday. Celebrate your love.